Well, hello there. Okay, so welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And today I would like to make for you a bacon burger. It's going to be bacon with, I'm going to put some cheese on there so we can call it bacon cheeseburger in the air fryer oven, okay? So we're going to be cooking the bacon and the burger at the same time. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I think we're good. So I already have here two burgers that I've already seasoned with Grandma Ray's special season. And I turned it over to make sure the season is good on both sides and we're good. Okay? So I put the burgers in this pan because I'm cooking the burgers and the bacon together. And that way no burger drippings won't fall on the bacon, or no bacon won't fall on the burgers. Okay, so we're going to put those in on the top, and then here's our bacon. Okay, and we're going to put this right underneath. Alright, the bacon drippings will drip into the drip pan that I already oiled with grapeseed oil, and so we should be good. So let's close this up. We're going to go on 370, that's good, and let's go for 15 minutes and then we're going to see what time of day it is. Okay, how about that? Okay, let me just wipe my hand real quick. Alright, so I got to think about a word of the day for you. Give me a second, okay? Alright. Okay, so you see we have 2 minutes left on our 15 minutes, right? So let's see what's going on. Okay, let me show you the hamburgers, okay? Alright, I need to turn them over and put that back in. Now, let's see what's going on with the bacon. Okay, the bacon needs to be turned over. Let me get another spatula to do that. Okay. Now we're going to put the bacon back in. If I can do this. Oh, I made it. I don't believe it. Alright. Now let's increase the time by, let's go by 3 minutes because 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I think the burgers will be ready in about a minute. Let me put this over here. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to sanitize the counter. 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So what I want to do now is I want to put the cheese on top of the burgers for the last few minutes. So that can melt. Okay, so you see I put the cheese on. I'm going to put that back in. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is jealousy. Oh, jealousy. Jealousy is something that will kill you from the inside out. You know, if you're jealous of someone, let's say you see that person, right away your blood pressure goes up. You can think of all the hateful things. You can think of things that this person do, wear, say that you don't like. It just eats inside of you, right? And let's say it's another person that's jealous of you. Maybe you got a promotion on your job, or you went on a vacation, you came back to work bragging about where you and the family went, or you got a new car, or whatever it is, you know, that still eats at you because they come at you in a negative way, right? Is it really worth all that? Really? Because we all have something that we can be thankful for, right? So, okay, this person may have went on vacation, but maybe you got saved from cancer. Or maybe you don't like this person because she's always coming in with the new weave, the nails, and all of that stuff, and she's thin and trim. Okay, how is that a problem for you? It can't be, because God gave us all the same thing. If you want what she has, unfortunately, by the way, it's not going to work for you, because what's for her is for her. So if you try to implement it, you may get close, but it may not really pan out good for you, because God gave that to her or to him, right? You got to worry about what you got for you, or what you're doing for you. And if somebody is demonstrating jealousy to you, what really can you do to win that person over? Not much. But what you can do is just, you know, when you see them, say hi, how you doing? Give them their space and let them live in their glory, and it's okay. Okay? And eventually things work themselves out, you know, because God has a way of putting calamities in all of our ways sooner or later. And once we hit a calamity, we kind of can sit back and look at a lot of things different. Oh yeah, calamities will make you rethink life, okay? And what is important, and is it necessary, and, you know, can you love this person in spite of? Okay? All right. Don't let jealousy be your problem, okay? Love everybody. Okay, and on that note, that's the word of the day. Drop jealousy from your mind. Okay, we're going to check on the burgers and the bacon, all right? 1 second. Okay, guys, so just so that you know, you can add another 5 minutes onto the bacon, because I had to cook it another 5 minutes. And probably because the bacon was under the pan that had the burgers, so the airflow couldn't get to it as much. Okay, so now we have everything out. Cut that off. Okay, 1 second, let me get something. 1 second. Okay, guys, so we have everything out. Okay, here's the 2 cheeseburgers, here's the bacon, and on here I have lettuce and tomatoes on our bun. Okay, so let's build our cheese bacon burger. Yum. Okay, now we're going to put the bacon on there. Oh, wow. Can't wait to show you this. Take a look at that, guys. Ah! Cheeseburger with bacon. Oh, yum, yum, yum. You like that? Okay. So you try yours and see if you like it. I think the kids will love it. You know, make them some French fries or something with it. It would be absolutely superb. Okay, until next time. Hit the like button if you like it. If you really, really like it. If you like it, hit the like button, okay? Alright, subscribe if this is your first time here. and share the video with someone, alright? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Don't be jealous, okay? Okay, bye.